Hello, I'm dark chocolate. I relax your vessels, improve blood flow, and support your heart.
Hello, I'm garlic. I strengthen your immune system and help your body fight threats.
Hello, I'm walnut. I strengthen brain connections and support your memory.
Hello, I'm blueberry. I repair brain cells, slow aging, and keep your focus sharp.
Hello, I'm avocado. I bring good fats to protect your heart, feed your cells, and keep everything running smoothly.
Hello, I'm broccoli. I help your body detox, protect your cells, and support brain and immune health.
Hello, I'm egg. I bring good cholesterol and choline to power your brain and build hormones. Hello, I'm salmon. I fuel your brain, calm inflammation, and keep your heart strong.
We are the Superfoods. Add us to your meals to keep your body healthy. Subscribe for more.